Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How are you guys doing? So, I'm here with another reaction video to... Ooh, let me scoot this over because it's not fit correctly. Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How are you guys doing? Hi! So I'm back again. I did a parody reaction video to their channel, and someone gave me a link to the Legends panel with Janet Jackson respond to Swizz Beatz, and I believe Swizz Beatz is Alicia Keys' husband. So I'm curious to see what this is going to be about, because I think he made a comment on Ashanti versus what's the other woman's name? Keisha Cole. So let's see what Miss Janet Jackson's going to be saying about that verse battle.
Bitch, these are just jokes. Get your life.
I said Janet and Missy.
Because Missy could be multiple people. Janet got to just be Janet.
Man, but they are great friends. They love each other. The celebration is gonna be great.
Well,
I want to celebrate with somebody of her caliber that she knows that it's gonna be a great celebration. I know my sister.
I don't think
Missy said Janet bought too big.
I don't think so.
Disagree.
I don't agree with that.
I disagree.
I disagree with that.
You po-two bird looking, praying mantis head having, pterodactyl squawking, emaciated bag of bones. Actually, looking at your dusty ass, you look like every bird of prey and insect in existence. I don't have the vault. Girl, kaboom. I have more hits on my bedside table than you've seen in a lifetime. But more on your abysmal stats later. I have been in the game for nearly 5 decades. 47 years to be exact. In fact, I've been in the game longer than you've been alive. Just because the paparazzi has photographed me over the years, wearing my vast collection of watches from Rolex, Cartier, and Audemars Piguet. And for you broke bitches, that's one of the most expensive brands on the planet.
Yes, it is.
Money.
That like expensive watch.
I'm wearing one of those timepieces does not mean I have time for your bullshit. But since you tried my vault, let's open it up. And everyone at home, get ready to do your math. Because you'll quickly see that him coming from me does not add up. I have accumulated over 30 #1 hits across multiple Billboard charts, spanning 4 decades. By the way, multiple Billboard charts means multiple genres, you dumb bitch. I have 10 #1 hits on the Hot 100 charts, 20 #1 hits on the dance charts, and 16 #1 hits on the R&B charts. Motherfucker, I even had a song that reached the top 10 on Billboard's crossover rock chart. Black Cat, a song that I wrote and composed by myself.
Oh
no, sis. You don't speak. You're only here to get this read. Let's continue. I ranked at number 7 on Billboard's greatest Hot 100 artists.
It is funny that the person recommended me to react this. I really do appreciate it, because this was a conversation I had with a friend of mine. What do you guys correlate with being success? Because they're not being talked about. They're not that it person in social media. Not everyone's talking about them no more. What do you guys associate with success? It's hilarious to me, especially when it comes to women into entertainment. Hilarious to me. Hilarious.
Of all time list. 1 spot ahead of my brother Michael. You know Michael Jackson, the most successful artist of all time?
Period.
Yeah, I ranked ahead of him based on my success on the Hot 100 chart. And that's no shade, Mike, but we're speaking facts here, and I'm reading the eyes out of—
Which is true. In her defense, she do have some hit records, and Michael Jackson is a successful artist of all time, of everybody. But, you know, Michael Jackson didn't become Michael Jackson based off his first 2 albums. You know, so she is saying some facts here. Give where credit is due.
Shaped like a used condom looking ass.
Swizz Beatz looks so good.
Pull out all of your receipts. Drag him, dunk. I bet you wish you never said that, huh? Provolone, cheddar, Asiago.
I did not know Swizz Beatz looked that good.
Whatever your name is.
Speaking
I don't
of
even know
my
who he is, so.
The Jacksons, music royalty, the first family of music.
Period.
Yeah, pioneering, chart chart-topping, legendary, iconic shit.
It's a legendary
The two
house.
biggest hit singles credited to our family belong to me. That's the way love goes, and all for you. And if you don't believe me, Google. It exists. Look it up. I have 7 #1 albums to my credit. I am
Period.
the only black artist with #1 albums spanning 4 decades on the Billboard charts consecutively. Only
Period.
4 artists have accomplished this on Billboard's Top 200 chart. Yeah, she, me, her. I am the only black artist a part of that group. And last, but certainly not least, I have sold over 160 million records worldwide.
Speak your facts, sister.
Let's see. According to Wikipedia, you're some kind of producer, right? Obviously not top tier, hence the reason I've never worked with you nor acknowledged your existence.
Period.
But guess what, you receding hairline, George Jefferson-looking clone? During the Rhythm Nation era, I became the first woman nominated for the Producer of the Year Grammy.
That is very true. Rhythm Nation is such an iconic album that everyone always refer back to when it comes to Janet.
The Rhythm Nation era began in 1989. You know, before your 12th birthday, before you got into the industry and started flopping, before you cheated on your first wife, Mashonda, with Alicia.
That is true. I know he cheated on his first wife with Alicia's Keys. Tag along. Ew, what the hell was that, Alicia Keys?
Before your 12th birthday, before you got into the industry and started flopping, before you cheated on your first wife, Mashonda, with Alicia. But I digress.
I guess that's supposed to be raw emotions. Okay.
To do a versus battle was made because we're actually friends.
Some people really do look better with hats on.
Decade friendship is why the suggestion was made. Period. It had nothing
They're always
to
trying
do
to
with whether or
pinpoint these
not
women
we
against
would be
each
a
other.
good match musically. My good sis Missy Elliott
Yes,
is a
Missy.
legendary writer, producer, and rapper.
Legend.
We know her catalog
Icon.
of hits span beyond her personal iconic discography. She has scored countless bona fide hits for the artists that she's written and produced for. Meanwhile, you only have 1 #1 hit to your credit on the Hot 100 as a writer/producer.
What song is that?
With my good sis Beelzebub. And we all know that she probably did the majority of the writing on that song.
Shade.
Then again, never mind. Now, to be fair, I must acknowledge that you have had a few #1 singles on Billboard's rap chart as a writer/producer. But unfortunately, most of those singles didn't even crack the top 25 of the Hot 100 chart. In fact, after doing a bit of research, emphasis on a bit because apparently...
Oh, so Swizz Beatz is one of those one who basically have a DJ credit for working with the best in the business, like most people do when they work the best in the business. All of a sudden, they have this higher than thou type of mentality, thinking that they're the greatest at what they do. Okay, Miss Janet, speak your facts.
Your list of accomplishments fits on half a post-it note with room to spare. I noticed that virtually every record that you produced tumbled down the charts almost instantly following release.
I still don't know who Swizz Beatz is, beside him being a husband to Alicia Keys.
Favorite gospel songs. But come to think of it, unlike a person who fell down, the singles that you write and produce never get up. He's already dead. Now, I realize that you've been surviving off of Alicia's royalties and beats that you made for $50 a pop for SoundCloud rappers. But don't let the surprise success of Verzuz have you out here speaking reckless. I am forever that bitch, aka the Blueprint. And that's on the only person who could ever battle Janet Jackson is Demita Joe. Meaning, I don't battle anyone because I run this shit. And I thank you. Ho. My shade for you, unrelenting rings and dreads. So snatch your scalp, you leave you wigless, hairless, and see, bitch, you
Oh, the legend panels better go ahead with this edit. Oh my god. Oh my god, if that was a song.
Hello everyone. Thank you for watching part 1 of the Legends Panel Reunion Special. We appreciate the continued love and support from our loyal viewers. After so many years, please like this video, subscribe to the ITHL YouTube channel, follow our writing and producing team on
Oh my god, I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this and also give me a link. I really do appreciate you. I do know of the legend panels. I do have a friend who keep up with them on a regular, and he do send me some videos in my DM on Facebook or Instagram to watch, and I really do appreciate it. That was Janet Jackson, the Empress, a pop, dragging Swizz Beatz. I was said over and over before, I only know Swizz Beatz because he is associated with Alicia Keys. I do not know his discography. I do not know qualification. I do not know his work. Janet Jackson, I'm not going to say I don't know her work either to the fullest extent, but I do know her work, if that makes sense. So when it comes to someone at Janet Jackson with Swizz Beatz, I don't know you. If, like when I first started this video, I said, oh, Swizz Beatz, Alicia Keys' husband. When I say, oh, Janet Jackson, everyone know who Janet. Swizz Beatz, Alicia Keys' husband. Janet Jackson, everyone know the Jacksons. Swizz Beatz, Alicia Keys' husband. Do you get what I'm saying here? So I really do like this quick take on it, but I don't understand Alicia Keys. I mean, see, exactly. I don't know Swizz Beatz, but Missy Elliott versus Janet Jackson, that'd be a very nice battle. But you know, one is a rapper, one is a pop princess. Both icons, I think different genre. Yes, they could intertwine with each other, but that'd be a very nice battle to do just as two as friends. But for him to say that, this is what happened when you have people who work with the best in the business and they think there's something. Please. But, you know, I can't really say anything because I'm on YouTube reacting to them. And, you know, as one person would comment and would say to me, oh, that's jealous. They're making millions. Yeah, they're making millions, but you're not buying their album or their music. If you were buying their album or music, they wouldn't only be selling us #1 singles. They would sell us album. But that's just me. So everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Stay shady. Bye.